So hello friend, how have you been? I hope you all are doing well. And now today is day 9, but I don't repeat it when my past videos. Just I am telling about a new topics. So this it is a day 9, but I just ignore it and I am to just conversation to a new topic. What is this is to our country India. So today's my topic is India. What is India? The first question is so tell about this. What is India? Just it's a name, not it's not just a name. It's the feeling. It's the country. It is the mother of our livelihood. It is the heart. It is really such a heart of our, because without this land, without motherland, we can't survive. Okay, so it's not only the about of motherland feeling. It's a more than it's a survival point. It's also survival point, because without nature we can't live. So live, so you seen and you can observe the natures. So it's be important. And the next thing is about we are telling to India. And now they are in India, that's my our Bharat. It's be a facing a so many challenges, mainly a political challenge, because our political system is crashed. And about of this we can't face, we all face, not only just one type of people, there's a one religion. Everyone face so many difficulties. Everyone is like a student, like a normal man, like a serviceman, like a not only a man, nature's also effect of on it, and land also effect on it, birds also effect on it, animals also effect on it. So we can't say it's about all just only effect of peoples. It's effect of all India. So what we can do? We can't do anything. Why? Because we have not any power. We have just power of to voting. But what we are doing? Just to voted to see which religious I know, and only which religious I know, and that my religious, so I can vote, and not about it. So it is the main thing that we can change to change our country, to change our nature, to change ourselves. Because without changing this, we can't be accept to change our life, to change our daily routine. Why it's important? Because we now today's, when voting comes, just leaders saying to our religious, and just debated all the media just only on it, and not are everyone saying, not everyone telling about what is the things that can be changed in our country. Not telling about it, just change this place name, just change this religious, just change, just survive of Hindus, just survive of Muslims, just a debate only on these things. And not anyone debate debate to our country's main problems, like our education. Not everyone telling about this. Why? Because not anyone think to why we can this, why we want to a better education. Why? Because the leaders are not interested to change our education. Why? Because they can change education. Every people are educated, they can't listen the leaders. They listen ourselves. They listen the things that's actually right. So the leaders not want to people's doing this. So they only doing a manipulate people's. So it's be a it's be a important to change this rule, change this system, because without changing this we can't to saying a progress of India. So it may be important. So we all are youth. So it's our responsibility. It's my responsibility. It's your responsibility. It's all about the people's responsibility to work on it. Without it, we can't change in our country. So thanks. I hope you are feeling well and you just understand what I'm said. I know I'm not speaking English fluently, so I can did so many mistakes. So you ignore it, and the background sound is also like a noise. So you also ignore it. Thanks. It is the thing that I can I will speak first, but I just speak last. So sorry for this, and thank you. This is the day 9. I hope day 9. No, this is the day 10 to improving myself. So thanks.